Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a motion graphic animation using Canva. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our background. So right here I'm using a yellow orange gradient. So I'm going to select the three dots, set image as background. So now I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to look for my image. Go to edit image. We're going to use magic grab for this one. We're going to use the click. Okay, so once that is completed, we're going to get rid of this white background. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to press C on our computer to get a circle. We're going to turn the transparency of the circle to 0. Now we're going to add it to the bottom of the perfume. We're going to group. Now we're going to bring it to the top. Now we're going to duplicate the page. We're going to adjust the duration of the video. So we want it to about 12 minutes. We're going to adjust the duration of this one. Okay, so now we're going to go to the second page. We're going to bring the perfume down. Now we're going to add a transition match and move. We're going to turn the duration up. So let's adjust the size of this again. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to this slide. We're going to go to elements. We're going to get this lavender. Going to put it right here. We're going to send it to the back. Now we're going to go to animate. We're going to add the animation pan. I want it to come this direction. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to flip. We're going to send this one to the back. Okay, so we're going to select the three dots. We're going to go to show timing. We're going to adjust the timing of this. Okay, so we're going to hide timing. Now we're going to add this lemon. So we're going to select the lemon. We're going to go to animate. We're going to add an animation pop. Okay, so we're going to select the three dots, show timing. So we want the lemon to come in after. So 10.1 is good. Alright, now hide timing. Well, let's check it. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to add our text. We're going to change the font and the color. I'm going to change it to white. Now we're going to go to effects. We're going to select the effects lift. Okay, so we're going to go to animate. We're going to use the animation baseline. I want it to come from this direction, so we're going to select this. We're going to adjust the speed a bit. Okay, perfect. Alright, so let's select the text again. Select the three dots, show timing. I want it to come in after everything. Okay, so we're going to put it at 9.4. Okay, so let's hide timing. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this. We're going to add a next text. We're going to adjust the size of this one. Now we're going to go to animate. We're going to make this one come down. So we're going to select the three dots, show timing. Okay, so 8.9. It's hide timing. Okay, so let's go back to elements. Alright, this is a bit too high, so let's select all of them. Bring it down a bit. Okay, so we're going to use this line. It is a straight line with circle at the end. You're going to change the color to white. Now we're going to send it to the back. Once we send it to the back, we're going to select it. We're going to go to animate. We're going to use the animation wipe. We don't want it to come in too fast and not too slow. Alright, so that is perfect. So we're going to select it. Select the three dots, show timing. We're going to adjust the timing. Okay, so let's hide timing. Let's duplicate this again. Put it at this corner. Now we're going to add some more text. Okay, so let's adjust the line spacing for this one. Let's adjust the size. Now we're going to change the color for some of the words. To color, add the same purple. Okay, so now we're going to go to animation, and for this one we're going to use the animation typewriter. Okay, so we don't want it to finish before the line. Alright, so let's select the line. Let's adjust the speed. It's going a bit too slow. Now that is perfect. Okay, so we're going to select the text again, select the three dots, show timing. Perfect. Alright, let's hide timing again. Now we're going to add this ribbon. So we're going to put it at this corner. We're going to go to animate. We're going to use the animation wipe. So we don't want it to come in that fast. Okay, so let's select the three dots, show timing. We're going to adjust the timing, so we want it to come in after the last text that we've added. Okay, so let's hide timing again. Let's duplicate the text. Let's add some more text. Okay, so let's adjust the size of this. Now we're going to adjust the line spacing a bit. Okay, so we're going to go to animate. Let's search for a suitable animation. Okay, so let's work with the animation pop. Alright, so we're going to select the three dots. We're going to go to show timing. Okay, so let's scroll. Now let's adjust the timing of this one. Okay, so let's hide timing. Okay, so let's check the video to ensure the timing is correct for all of them. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.